have a bit of a look. Well, Carmichael giving him a lap and a half of experience. The training session is going to take a lap and a half. And young Brendan Grenadille'll take in as much as he can. As he puts the big Yamaha almost sideways and this drums. He knows it's over for him at the moment. But you don't want it to happen, but these bikes have been known to just go bang. And that's it for the rest of the night. So let's hope Carmichael can stay on and keep that bike running for the rest of the evening. But you certainly do have a very, very fine talent here in town for Craig Carmichael. I'm not sure now, that's 300 or something, I'm not sure, he's counting. There's a little hill clicker and a little jump to go with it. Woo.